Hi everyone. I want to take a minute and talk about our recent Blackboard upgrade and some of the reasons why we went ahead and did it at the time that we did. What was going on is students were having an issue with their exams and quizzes in Blackboard. Now what would happen is if a quiz was displayed in all at once format, and if there was an essay question in there, it didn't matter which browser they were taking, but as soon as the student started the test, it would bounce them down to the bottom of the test into that first essay question. And the student would have to scroll back up and go back to work on their test, and then the browser would again bounce them down to that essay question, and they have to move the cursor back up again. And this is continually happening, and it was really difficult for students to get through quizzes. And we really don't want to deal with this issue through midterms or certainly final exams. So we decided we'd try and sneak it in over fall break. Wasn't a lot of notice on that. And I apologize for that, but we thought it would be better just to get out of the way. And so we successfully installed the upgrade. The only caveat to that is it still does not work completely in Internet Explorer. The difference with Internet Explorer is the function is a little more squirrely. If, for instance, there's only one essay question in the quiz, it'll work. If there's two essay questions, then it won't work. So to give you an idea of what students experience, let me go into this example course as a student. I'll click on course material. And I have two quizzes. One has one essay question and one has two essay questions. Let me show you the one with two essay questions so you can see what's happening. Click on begin. Okay, and I start typing here. Okay, and then it just bounced me down to that last essay question. So if I were a student, I would scroll back up here. And it bounced me down again at the same spot. And so that's what happened to students. And even if they went down in this bottom essay question and started typing, it would bounce them down back to the beginning of the text. And there it went on me again. And that kept happening, and it's really difficult for students to take a test like that, obviously. So our workaround previously was just to display the questions in the test in question by question format. And if students are still using Internet Explorer, you can do that. Hopefully there's not many students that are still using it. I'm sure there's some that are, of course. But as you see on the front page of Blackboard, if you go here, we've displayed this announcement to all the students and all the faculty. It just asks them, are you about to take a test? Don't use Internet Explorer. And it goes through and provides them several links to download the Google Chrome or Firefox. So if you have any questions about that, if you want to leave some feedback below, just go ahead and do that in the comments box. I understand this is not a happy news to deal with for the rest of the semester, but Blackboard should just have this fixed in the next release, which is due out in Q4, I believe. So that should be out in a couple of months. Again, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below or shoot us an email at ProfHelp. If you want us to put an announcement in your class for you about which browser to use, we can go ahead and do that. That's no problem. Just send an email to ProfHelp. We'll be happy to do that. Thanks.